Welcome to Ultimate DIY, where you learn to be your own handyman. And today, we're going to go over a really cool tool, the coffee warmer. Is I am using my new smart coffee mug that keeps your coffee warm up to 3 hours. And I mentioned at the end of that video that after I tested it, if I found anything different, I would let you guys know. So a couple of things I have noticed about this. It's amazing, works great. It's even a good hand warmer if it's cold outside because the mug is so hot. But two of the things that I found that you need to do, it's a small mug, there's really not a lot of coffee. And if you're a big coffee drinker like I am, you're probably going to drink more coffee than one of these mugs. And I like to pour a lot of like half and half in my coffee, kind of soften it down a little bit. I don't usually eat breakfast much, so it gives me a few calories. That being said, after I drink 1 cup and I go and I pour some new coffee in with some more creamer or half and half, it actually shortens that 3-hour time down considerably. I mean, literally probably cuts it in half. So there are a couple of ways you might get by that. If you're out on the job site, you might carry a whole extra thermos of hot coffee, so you can pour it into your drinking cup a little bit, periodically, so it doesn't make that heater have to heat up so much. Okay, that would work as one way. The other thing I found, though, that you can do is if you have a place to plug your charger in that charges the battery pack underneath this, it can set on that all day long, and it will keep your coffee hot all day. So that's really about the only caveats I've found so far on this. Other than that, it works fantastic. It washes out really easily, and one of the really cool things I found is that once you program it, it stays programmed. So I will wash it out, set it in the charger, next day pick it up, pour my coffee, pour in my half and half, and it automatically comes on and starts warming up the coffee. I don't have to do anything else. So that's a really cool thing that I didn't realize it was going to do.